Jesus heals a man with dropsy. Welcome to the Blessing Voices, where we explore the powerful miracles in the Bible. Today, we will look at Jesus heals a man with dropsy, found in Luke chapter 14 verses 1 to 6. This story shows us how Jesus prioritizes compassion over legalism and demonstrates God's mercy. One Sabbath day, Jesus was invited to eat at the house of a Pharisee. A man suffering from dropsy, a condition causing severe swelling, was also there. The Pharisees were watching Jesus carefully, hoping to trap him if he healed on the Sabbath. Jesus asked, "Is it lawful to heal on the Sabbath or not?" But they remained silent. Jesus took hold of the man, healed him, and sent him on his way. The man left rejoicing, but the Pharisees were angered because Jesus had healed on the Sabbath. Jesus then said, "If one of you has a son or an ox that falls into a well on the Sabbath, will you not pull him out immediately?" They had no answer for him. The story of Jesus heals a man with dropsy teaches us important lessons about mercy, legalism, and the heart of God. First lesson: compassion is more important than legalism. Matthew chapter 9 verse 13, "I desire mercy, not sacrifice." The Pharisees cared more about rules than helping people, but Jesus showed that love and mercy always come first. Second lesson: Jesus is always willing to heal and restore. Psalm chapter 103 verses 2 to 3, "Praise the Lord, who forgives all your sins and heals all your diseases." No matter the day, time, or situation, Jesus is always ready to bring healing to those in need. Here are 3 key takeaways from today's story. First, compassion is greater than religious rules. Second, Jesus is always willing to heal and restore. Third, true faith is shown in love and action. Take a moment to think about these questions. 1. Am I more focused on rules than on loving and helping others? 2. Do I believe that Jesus is always willing to heal me? 3. How can I show more mercy and kindness to those around me? In the conclusion, the story of Jesus heals a man with dropsy teaches us. First lesson: compassion is more important than legalism. Second lesson: Jesus is always willing to heal and restore. No matter what struggles we face, Jesus is ready to heal and show us mercy. Just as in Jesus heals a man with dropsy, we too can experience his power through faith and compassion. If God has worked in your life, share your story and encourage others. Let's trust in Jesus and believe that his power is still at work today. Please, like and follow the Blessing Voices for more messages of faith.